This is Bryan Furnace. You might know him from a couple of different places.
Another massive scoop. I believe that's bucket number 4. Got it.
There you
All
go,
right.
Bryan is at a faster split here than the other guys. He's got tires moving at about 140. 252, look at that speed.
You better stay out of this guy's way.
Bryan Furnace came to win.
Now let's see how he does with the dust cloud.
He confidently backed in between the cones.
This is impressive. If he can get that load dumped out.
Barring something strange and catastrophic here. Bryan brings that in, brings that truck to a stop. 351, the new time to beat. Bryan Furnace, 351.
Are you excited for me to tell you that you are now the time to beat?